Hey guys, so this is my February Julep box, and I did choose every item in the box. It's just, I love the fact that with Julep you can choose every single item, and I will put their information down below. They always have like these great promos with free stuff, and also you get points just from receiving your box, so you're kind of just like always racking up free points. You get points from referring people, and it's just a lot of fun. And even if you don't want to refer people and do any of that stuff, you can just get your first box and get like the free gift and then cancel if you don't want to continue with Julep. So in this box, I actually kind of like that they've been putting this brown paper instead of like all the little, like a million pieces of confetti in there. It just makes it a lot less messy. I guess it's not as pretty though, so I don't know how everyone else feels about the brown paper. But in this box, I chose 3 different nail polish colors that I thought looked pretty. And then I also chose these snowflakes. It's like decals for your nails. It's just like a cute little winter accessory to put on your nails. And then the colors I chose, so this one is Bradley Boho Glam. This sort of like green, blue, gray with like a little bit of shimmer in it. And then this one is Nahali Classic with a Twist. And that's like a really festive color. It's like a cranberry with like some sparkles. It's really pretty. And then this last one is Riley It Girl. And this is like a really dark, I want to say like a super, super dark navy, but it also has like a little bit of shimmer to it. And I love polishes that have some shimmer but without glitter, because glitter is just so difficult to, I mean, glitter is really pretty, but it's just so difficult to remove. It just can be kind of a pain. So I like it when it's got like a touch of shimmer like that, but without the difficulty of removing glitter. I think those are really pretty. And actually I think all 3 of these have some shimmer without glitter, especially the red one has quite a bit of shimmer, but it's like very, very it's not thick chunks of glitter, so it shouldn't be difficult to remove. So I thought those 3 are all really, really pretty. And then these cute little decals. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Let me know down in the comments what you guys got in your Julep boxes this month, and I will put all of Julep's info down in the info box if you guys want to check it out, or if you want to subscribe or just see what nail polishes. You don't have to subscribe. You can also just shop their products, like shop their nail polishes and stuff like that. I hope you guys are having a good winter. Hopefully it's not too much longer that it'll be cold and miserable. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.